Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday. Yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes, and this week we're coming to you from Ballyphehane. We've brought this home in an amazing journey. It was an older house. It was really cold, but we've brought it up to modern day living. And when I say we've brought it up, I mean right up to an A3 home. We did everything from a full renovation to a large two-story extension to the back of the house. All new, external insulation, new windows, air-to-water heat pump, and all new concrete floors. To the front of the house, we went with a sash window, and this really gives the home that settled-in feeling. The one big thing this home has, and it has it in abundance, is that homey, cozy feeling. This big corner glaze unit works really well in this new home, and you can see overhead we built on an extension. It's only about 1.5 meters wide, but the sitting room really takes advantage of it. Oh my God, that is so cozy. And a big thank you to Casey's Furniture. They supplied us with all the goodies here. Have I got really tall? Or you're right, is this a customized door? And look at all that perfect hallway storage. But what I love most about it is that this door matches all the other doors in the hallway, picking up that flooring, giving you the perfect finish. In the original house, when you open this door, that would have brought you straight into the sitting room. And from that sitting room, that was the only road that would take you into the kitchen. Could you imagine the traffic coming through that area? Today, this door has a whole new meaning. It's bringing you into this luxury private bathroom, and it also future-proofed the home. So what happens if it's raining outside and your jackets are all wet? Here, we've got the perfect solution. We've got hall storage, and I mean lots of big storage. But do you know what I love most of all? It's like a deer in the woods. It totally blends in and disappears. Now we're really getting to see this project come together. All those clever colors, all those materials are working so well together. Having a kitchen that really works for your needs is essential for your home. Here we've come up with some very clever storage ideas, and I know this will work perfectly for our homeowners. A utility room straight off your kitchen works really well. Here you've got everything you can imagine. We've got big tall overhead storage, we've got a drying machine, we've got a washing machine. But I love this. You can sit your laundry basket straight on it, so if you're loading the machine or maybe unloading the machine, it takes all that pressure off. And again, underneath, more storage. And on our left here, we've got that big broom closet. And you know when you want to keep that kitchen clean, where do you put those mops afterwards? This works out perfectly. In the original house, it used to have timber suspended floors. In this new home, we've got all new concrete floors, and within that concrete, we've got underfloor heating. So when you think of the old floors, that used to rob all your heat. But in the new house, your floors create the heat. This home is a new build in every way, but this handrail has survived the journey. With over 30 years of memories, some things just cannot be replaced. This bedroom is to the very front of the house, and again with those sash windows, it makes it feel really, really cozy for a big room. These tiles work really, really well. Chantel, our interior designer, I'm really liking your choices. This hallway has been designed to be a little bigger than normal. We've got press number 1 with lots of storage. Here we've got press number 2, and last but certainly not least, we've got press number 3, and I'm sure they're going to be put to really good use. We're now moving in to the new extension part of the house, and we've used this space to create that master bedroom. One thing that stands out is that big Velux pulling all that natural light in. Once you come through those doors, it brings you straight into the walk-in wardrobe and the master ensuite. Everything you need in a home, I believe we've fulfilled in this design. For Sigma Homes, this brings us to the end of another design and build project. Another project finished on schedule, but it's only the very beginning of a journey for our homeowners. We want to wish them all the best and well done to everyone involved.